We just don't do it anymore. Today we're going to talk about 5 things in our homeschool that we used to do and I loved doing, and we just don't do them anymore. And I'm going to talk about a little bit about why we don't do them anymore and if I think that we'll ever be bringing them back. So first up is documentaries. There was a time where we started every day with documentaries. I loved it. The Food That Built America was one of our favorites, and we watched it all the way through. We were always looking forward to a new season coming out. We loved Our Planet. We watched that as well. We still talk about bird mating calls that we learned in Our Planet, and I loved those documentaries. What we have replaced those with is World Watch News. And I love World Watch News, and I'm really thankful that we found it. I think that moving to World Watch News at the beginning of her 8th grade year from those documentaries was a great thing to do. I want her to be more involved in, current events. I want her to understand what goes on around the world, and I really want her to focus on, that the earth is a big place and there's a lot that goes on in the world. But we were doing that with documentaries too, and it's just different. I'm thankful that we switched over to World Watch News. I'm very happy with it, and we will definitely continue that throughout as long as we homeschool. But I do miss those documentaries, and I miss the fun things that we learned about through them. I miss the projects that we did because of them. I just miss that connection that we had with the documentaries. Unfortunately, I don't think that we will ever get back to watching them the way that we did before. I hope that we get back to watching them just a little bit because it was such a great experience. But I would highly encourage you to watch documentaries with your kids. It only takes a few minutes a day because we normally watch them maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day, and we took at least an entire week for one episode, and it was so much fun. We learned just countless little tidbits because of them, and I'm really thankful for them. I hope that we do them again, but I just don't see time-wise how we will be able to be consistent with documentaries the way that we used to be. Number 2 that we don't do anymore that we used to do is take time for art. It was wonderful. I loved Take Time for Art. My daughter did so many amazing art projects with it where they combine history with art, and it was just so much fun to be able to make a Roman shield when she was doing that. We did some a Byzantine mosaic. She I don't even remember all of the things that she did. We did use Take Time for Art for 2 of the 3 years that we had world history, and I'm so glad that we incorporated Take Time for Art with that. I do miss it. I know that they are coming out with an American history Take Time for Art because up until this point it has just all been world history. So we may go back and pick up that American history. I'm not quite sure what we'll be doing for history in high school, but yeah, Take Time for Art. It was really a lot of fun while we did it, and I highly recommend it if you're doing world history. That is just a wonderful addition that helps so much and brings world history a little bit more to life. Number 3 is science experiments, just because. We still do science experiments. I love science experiments. I loved them before, I love them now, and I just miss doing them just for the fun of doing them. I miss having a day of bubbles and doing all of the things that we could do with bubbles. I miss having a day of flight where we made paper airplanes and we did balloons and as many things as we could come up with that was flying. I miss that, where now it is much more academic. It's much more doing science experiments and doing the labs and recording everything and trying to figure out why things happen versus just enjoying the magic of science. And I don't know whether we'll go back to that. I don't know that, again, where it's timing and it's really where she's learning so much more. But there were days where we would just go around and, pick up different things and throughout the house and do a pH experiment to see what the pH levels were for different items throughout the house. Now, I say that, and we did actually do that just a month or so ago, and it was fun. So we will be doing science experiments just because they're fun, without putting too much work into any type of lab report. Number 4 is presentations. We used to do presentations all the time. We did the trifold presentations. We did just standing up and talking presentations. We did presentations with the PowerPoint. And for whatever reason, we got away from that a little bit this year. But we will definitely go back to presentations. I think presentations is a learned art form. People have to learn how to present. You have to learn what you're going to put either on a board or on a slide, and you need to be able to talk to those points and be able to convey your message. And so presentations are something that we will definitely bring back for sure. And number 5 is nature walks. We have not taken nature walks in a couple of years. I really miss those, and we will be getting back to those no matter what. That is something that's very important to me. I still stop for turtles no matter what. If I am driving or walking or anything and I see a turtle, I'm definitely going to stop. But, we used to do things like, collect snow and make hot chocolate or apple cider tea with snow. And then we also did things like go to look at dikes or streams just for the fun of doing it. And so I do miss nature walks a lot. So please let me know if there anything that you used to do in your homeschool that you don't do anymore, but that you really miss it.